Hello! In this video I will show you what topics are covered in the course. Let's go through them really quickly. At the beginning I will create a very simple React Native application and fine-tune it so I will have a consistent naming and versioning across both platforms. I will work with this application throughout the course. In the next section I will briefly introduce you to Fastlane. I will show you the basic principles of the code signing guide and the corresponding steps that you need to do before the configuration itself, including installing Fastlane within your application. In the Fastlane for iOS section, I will take you through the complete process from creating an application in iTunes Connect and Apple Developer Portal to uploading a built application, including Fastlane initialization, code signing, adding icons, export compliance within your app, Apple Developer Portal, iTunes Connect with managing testers, and even CocoaPods and a quick explanation of the differences between Xcode Project and Xcode Workspace, including the corresponding adjustments for Fastlane configuration. You will make your first build using Fastlane in this section. The iOS section is immediately followed by an adequate version for Android. These sections are completely separable and you can go through them in any order or even skip one if you are interested in only one platform. For Android, I will also explain everything, including a complete Google Play setup for your first successful build, Fastlane initialization, code signing using Google Play app signing, creating service account JSON secret file for next automated upload using Supply, icons, testers in Google Play, and as for iOS, you will make your first build of Android using Fastlane in this section. Finally, I will show you Bitrise in detail. Its basic building blocks, I will explain builds and workflows step by step. I will set up an application for both platforms, iOS and Android. I will show you how to set up a runtime environment, the complete workflow with each step described in detail. You will run your first build in the cloud. There is a lot of content in the course, but let's start right from the beginning. You will really learn a lot. That's all for now, but much more is already on the way.